Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Starlight Frequencies Oracle by Leah Shoman. This is published by Scribe Publishing, retailing for $27.99 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And thank you so much to Scribe Publishing for sending this deck my way. Now let's get into it. So these cards are embedded with codes that contain multiple meanings. These meanings will make themselves known to you when the timing is right. Each card, transmission, and code has a specific purpose in each step of your expansion. This has been created to help you come back to yourself as the source of your knowing. Your inner knowing will be unlocked when you sit, commune, and allow yourself to open to what exists within. It is 44 cards with a 60-page guidebook. All right, I love that hollow. That is so much fun. We got a magnetic enclosure. Now, child, crack open and awaken. The knowledge you seek is seeking you. All right. There's the bottom of the box there. I like the quality of the packaging. We have a little greeting card here that says, "Sweet one, thank you for supporting this creation of source energy. I hope this deck brings you back to your inner knowing, allowing it to open, activate, and instigate further awakenings." All my love, Leah. Very cute. Okay, and here's the guidebook, and then the cards here. There's the back. Oh, look at the fun hollow stars. And then we have a matte edging there. Okay, so before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's a particular way we need to utilize this. Color printing, nice. Great table of contents. These cards are another tool that have been created and channeled through the divine being from the Galactic Federation of Light to help you truly see your gifts for what they are. Okay, these cards are embedded with codes that contain multiple meanings. These meanings will make themselves known to you when the timing is right. Each card transmission and code has a specific purpose in each step of your expansion. This has been created to help you come back to yourself as the source of your knowing. Your inner knowing will be unlocked when you sit, commune, and allow yourself to exist within. These cards have been a direct download from Source, in which I've been told that you must learn how to receive, interpret, and decipher these transmissions yourself. You must not be dependent on this book for the interpretation and definition of these symbols and codes, for they will take on a different meaning each time you use this deck. Make no mistake, this has been very intentional. I am merely acting as an instigator for your awakening. Each transmission will bring a meaning, and you will be able to decipher the meaning that is most necessary for your soul at that moment in time. Specific intentions went into the creation of every single card, from the card number, the card color, down to each and every line and image. Light codes have been embedded into each card for an additional layer of activation. The cards have also been blessed by the Galactic Federation of Light. Many questions will be asked of you. Do not shy away from answering them truthfully. Although it may appear to be the same question, its context holds to reveal a different answer time and time again. These cards serve only your highest intentions and your highest good. Okay. Then we have a single card pool, 3-card spread, 5-card spread, and then it goes into each of the decks. So that's why the guidebook is a little bit on the smaller side. All right, first off, let's take a look at the cardstock. Very nice. It's between thin and medium. It is not that thick at all. The cardstock is very flexible, but it snaps back. So I think it's going to be a nice shuffle. Alrighty. So we do have a number, we have a title, and then a little blurb about the card. So universal consciousness. Inner peace. Mind, heart, and will. Infinite vastness. Love that. Fifth dimension. Self-awareness. I like the art style. I like the collage. Crystalline Spirit. Expansive Growth. Incarnations. Enlightened. Great Awakening. I like the addition of the little hollow on the cards here. This is beautiful. Cards feel good in the hand. Cosmic Light Council. Ooh, that rainbow. Feels very beginner friendly. The Eternal Stone. Diamond Sun Body. That's fun. Astral Plane. The Human Experience. Oh, stop. That is, I was not expecting that. That is precious. I simply, oh, I'm so thrown off right now. It's so cute. Shapeshifter. Oh. And we have peacocks too. Oh, I love it. Way shower. I'm really loving reading the bottom of these cards too. This is beautiful. You can definitely tell that the intentions were there and they are definitely following through here. Infinite Wisdom. Masters, Teachers, and Loved Ones. Oh, Universal Oneness. Ooh, Soul Rooms. Sacred Prayer. Illumination. Cosmic Womb. Equilibrium. Soul Remembrance. Gosh, I am old enough to remember that style of TV. Downloads. Divine Blueprint. Cosmic Net of Reflection. Galactic Federation of Light. Patience. The Path. Integrate. Lords of the Records. Temple of Light. Love that. Ooh, past, present, and future possibility. Optimal self. Singing stones. Beacon of light. Light codes. Truth seeker. Anchor. And amplified power. Okay, this was really cool to go through. It might not be for everyone with some of the topics that were discussed, but that's okay. This is definitely a healing deck, definitely for those that like to work with light codes and frequencies. And if you want to get into light codes and frequencies, this might be the deck that you do so. Shuffle's great. I'm not having an issue at all. I do want to try it side to side. Oh yeah. Love the hollow on the little accents. That's great. Shuffle's great this way too. Okay. We're going to read for inner peace. But yeah, this feels really good. Okay, I'm excited. All right, inner peace. Angelic guardians surround you. You are being held in harmony and divine grace. All right, so same little blurb that's on the card. And then it says, always know that your guardians are here, watching over you, guiding you, and holding you in their brilliant white light. What you must do now is turn your gaze inward. Allow this frantic energy to be transmuted into serenity. And there's the light codes. This is very cool. It's such a different type of deck. Oh, those little cats just kill me. I love it. Oh, different type of deck. Very cool to see. And I'm going to be very intrigued on how to work with this and like just get to know it a little bit better. I think that, like I said earlier, if you're like trying to get into the frequencies or light codes and are wanting to look at this from a more esoteric and more of a healing way with your divination, this might be the deck for you. I like the quality. I like the price tag for this too. I don't feel like you really need a long explanation in the guidebook. I think you get just enough information. And then, like it said earlier, you can utilize your intuition. And each time you use this card, or each time you use this deck, you're going to get a different meaning from them. It's going to activate something different within you. So I'm really excited to get to know this a lot better. I love, love, love that hollow. I think great love and care went into creating this. And now I would love to know what you guys think of this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you are wanting to check out? Did you know about this before? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you so much to Sacred Scribe Publishing for sending this my way. I'm really excited to start working with this. I think this is going to be very enlightening. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. Thank you so much for being here. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And it really helps me out to make sure that I'm going out into the algorithm for you guys. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.